his father and mother. It was a hot day, and Chu and his family went to the beach. Okay, let's read the next page. Chu had an ice cream. The ice cream seller was very nice. She gave Chu an extra scoop of ice cream.
What y'all reading, yes?
I find you.
What you reading?
I find you.
You find me. What y'all reading?
I find you.
Chu's day at the beach?
Chu said hello to a crab in a rock pool. Chu's mother sat on the sand and read her book. Chu's father went into the water up to his tummy. Chu took off his sunglasses and looked at the sea. The day was so sunny and bright. Chu's nose tickled. It was a tickling that got bigger and bigger. It was a tickling that filled his whole head.
I just wanted to show y'all that book, and this is the activity they do with it. They already play with this, so this is kinetic sand. Not regular beach sand, it's kinetic sand, so it like sticks together. And here, let me show you. I recommend this sand. See how it does? It's real neat how it like falls apart and spreads apart like that. So it's magnetic sand, and really good science for science uses, and of course, you know, sensory play. Of course, you can talk about the different shapes and stuff, whatever you're using, whatever you're building, architecture and all that good stuff, or geometry, or whatever you want to do to enhance it. But the kinetic sand is really great because it's much easier to clean up than regular sand, and it's kind of like a hybrid between Play-Doh and sand, so it's easier for them to, you know, more fun for them too. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all that. Alright, peace, love, and light.